All right, it's time for Tamiya truck. We're gonna go here with the Buggyra, and this pink one here, I've been having great battles with him all qualifier so far, so we're gonna see if I can take him down. He's currently in first, I'm in second. We'll see how we do in the main. Overall, the trucks have been feeling pretty good. I haven't really...
Let's go into Marshall.
Have a good run, run in.
We are Euro truck. John's checked in. John's checked in. JF's checked in.
Just have to scrub my tires in. So the battle should be between myself, the pink and white. Whoa, the pink and white, and I mean, all these trucks technically go the same speed, so it just comes down to driving and potentially how you've treated your tires. That's really all there is to it.
That is it. Second on the grid, John Kennedy. That's the blue with the orange stripes. Next is JF, who's been fast all day long.
Yeah, that truck is fast. Good luck.
Thank you.
JF's Colton in the yellow truck. That's the Club Rental body, but his truck.
Yep.
Then we got JFR and Ronan.
The Buggyra, and then Rona with the cab over.
All right, we're going to get this underway shortly. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Less than 10. And you're off. Taylor leaves a clean start. Both John and JF now chomping at the bit to get on the back end of them. Both race at the front.
Oh no!
Oh, mistake from John at the back. JF kind of struck in the side a little bit, got a little rough. That moves Colton up. Easy guys, side to side contact is one thing, but putting something on the board is another thing altogether.
Okay, I just have to try and be clean and reel in the pink. That's the plan.
Really going back to John. 2.1 seconds is the gap. JF is only 1.7 seconds behind John. Let's see how that changes when it's coming a couple laps. Oh, JF, yeah, he fell off the road before. He's 2.8 seconds back. The leader in the pink truck. One more lap. John starting to visit the rear wheel closer. JF also in this mix. There are 3 trucks. We have a good possibility of winning this one. John's looking strong on the straightaway. 0.8 of a second. That blue line stripes is John. JF 6 seconds, falling back a little bit from the battle of the lead. Traffic might play a factor, pulling him right out of the way. Thank you, Colton.
Oh.
Oh, no, John gets it wrong. He puts it in the barrier.
That's okay. It's fine.
Oh, that wasn't your fault, buddy. You made a mistake.
3 minutes left.
All right, now it's going to be a fight to reel him in.
John now 4.7 seconds behind Dale. JF only 3.4 seconds behind John.
Hopefully Dalen gets stuck in traffic.
Still leading this one, 4 seconds the gap to John, and John is getting a little bit closer.
It's too bad you guys didn't see the last qualifier. We were within an inch of each other for half the whole race.
Another 3/10 on John.
2 minutes left.
2 to go. John, JF, Ronan, Colton, and JFR. Ronan is only 2.1 seconds behind JF right now, and they are on the same lap.
Whoop. Sorry.
One minute remaining. Dalen, John, JF, Roman, JFR. Dalen starting to stretch his lead out. He's almost got a full 5 seconds on John. Battle now between John and JF.
Whoa. Whoops.
John's actually a lap ahead of JF. It's not much of a battle. He's actually behind him. JF and Roman. Roman driving the purple and yellow. He's driving a nice clean race. 3.8 seconds behind JF right now. 10 seconds in.
Oh, there's only 10 seconds left. Looks like I'm going to hold on to that second position. Unless there's a catastrophe in this last few laps. Come on, Dalen, fly, flip over, flip over.
Car 5 is done.
Good job, Dalen.
Car 1
There we
is done.
go.
John's done. JF.
All right. I think top 3 all held their same qualifying positions.
Nice race.
Yeah, good run.